Shifting to new state guidance, I want to mention two new things that have come out just very recently. Yesterday, clarification was provided to us from California Department of Public Health on the youth sports, and particularly I want to note in the face of our having issued a news release on this late last week, that things are unfortunately changing slightly again. So in the absence of clarification on parent observers for the purposes of supervision, we issued a news release in which we were allowing 20% capacity consistent with what is forthcoming in live performances. With the new state guidance, we now have clarity that the intention and the expectation of our youth sports spectators are that only household observers may be present and only in outdoor settings. The outdoor settings, that is consistent with what we had. But rather than a facility capacity limit, it is limited to one household member who is of an older age than the athlete themselves to be a spectator. Additionally, at this time, the state has asked that there be no scouts and no college recruitments at the present period. We hope to be able to move forward more quickly. Again, that will happen as our case rate drops. So indoor spectators will be allowed when we get to the orange tier, 25% capacity indoors. When we get to yellow, that will double to 50%. I've gotten quite a bit of feedback from parents who are very understandably interested in being party to their student athletes' participation in sports, both because of them wanting to cheer on and support their students, and also in the realm of supervision and making sure that everything is being done safely. So fortunately, we do have this allowance for individuals, but only in the outdoor sector. I've heard from a number of folks, how is this different than allowing restaurant opening or allowing movie theater opening? Why can we not observe our student athletes in the indoor space? And so particular to indoors, I just wanted to point out that that is an area, especially when there is robust physical exertion going on among the athletes, that even in a large space, there have been quite a few outbreaks in indoor athletics facilities. It's the same reason that fitness centers and gyms have a lower capacity allowance. We do see more transmission in indoor spaces, and especially when you've got very active respirations going on. So with that, my heart goes out to these families. I know that people have been waiting for a long time to engage in participating with their student athletes. Fortunately, we're back in school, and hopefully very soon we will get to the place where parents can also watch the indoor sports games, be it volleyball or basketball. So please hold tight with that, and let's collectively continue to drive down the case rate as I've mentioned.